So how to transfer money from Barclays to another bank. So to transfer money through Barclays, the first thing you'll need to do is click on Pay and Transfer at the bottom here. And then once you've done that, you just want to select Pay. And to send money to another bank account, you just want to select Add Payee right here. And then once you've done that, if you've sent money with Barclays previously, it may list some of your previous payees, but you can also add a new one at the top here. And then from there, just click on Enter Bank Details. And then from there, you just want to enter the details of where you want to send the money to. So if it's, for example, another bank account that you have, you just want to enter your own name and that bank's sort code and account number. Then once you've entered the bank's details, you should get confirmation it matches here, and then you can go ahead and press continue. And then once you've done that, you'll just need to select how much you want to send. So for the example of this video, we'll say £5. And then once you've selected how much you want to send, you can press review payment at the bottom here. And then once you've done that, you might be prompted to clarify what the payment's for. And then you'll also be prompted with this warning message. So make sure you're happy to proceed before continuing. And if you're happy to proceed with the payment, you can go ahead and press continue. And then once you've done that, one last time, you just need to review the payment. And you can also save them as a trusted payee, which means they'll be saved to your Barclays contact list, ensuring that the next time you send them money, it'll be a lot quicker. But if you're ready to proceed with the payment, you'll just want to go ahead and press confirm at the bottom here. And then for the last step, you will just need to enter your 5-digit PIN. And once you've done that, your payment is now sent, and it should now arrive in the bank account you sent it to. And that is pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like as it does help the video out. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And thanks again for watching.